I fired 3 employees because of me.
Why?
Because I stole 14 grand from my dad's safe. And he
Time out. Hold on.
14 grand?
Escalated
What
so
the
fast.
You stole $14,000?
Not in one shot.
Even still.
When I was when I was 17, when I was using drugs.
Okay.
Every Friday, my dad he had 6 clothing stores in San Diego. He would go to every fashion show and pick up money in these brown paper bags that were stapled and then bring it back to our house, put it in the safe, and then Monday he would deposit it. I don't know why he did it that way.
And you knew the safe combination?
No, I said, I had my license. So I go, I'll do that for you, Dad.
Scumbag.
Right? So I would go, I bought a stapler, and I opened the bag, I would take a couple $100. In his mind, he thought it was like his employees.
So 3
from
people lost their
stores.
jobs because of you.
Yeah.
And
So,
now,
I'm sorry. One time we were at Round Table Pizza, and my aunt was there, and, they would get drunk. My aunt looks at my mom, she goes, in Korean, I don't know why you marry her, she ugly.
Your aunt says this?
Said that about my mom in front of my dad.
Huh?
And my dad goes, ha 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 ha, and he stabbed her in the neck with a knife.
At Round Table?
Yeah, it was a butter knife, so it kind of nicked her. And he went, hey, let's good one! You know what I mean?
How'd that play out?
Yeah.
Screaming?
People screaming, yeah. That was my dad in a nutshell. So when he laughed like that, violence was happening.